Hello. I don't know what my last video was, but I was just at Walmart where I was basically an unsupervised child. Most of the stuff was things I needed, like food, things for my hamster, some clothes. I did get this shirt. I'm not going to show off that stuff. I bought a bunch of fidget toys because my anxiety has been awful lately. And again, I was a child unsupervised. So I thought I'd show off some of those. It looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things with 2 of one thing because that's all that was left and I didn't want to make a choice. So the first thing I got was this Nido Happy Snappy. I'm looking for the Nido Nice Cube. I really want to get that, but I'm gonna probably have to order that. Anyways, this is this little ball with little holes, but then if you squeeze it in, the holes pop out. And it's just, it makes a fun sound. I don't know. Everything, all of these were on clearance too. That was part of the problem. But I figured I'd check it out because I kind of poked through the holes in the box at the store and was enjoying it. I think I'm gonna like that a lot. Not for taking any place because it's loud and I don't like loud ones, but just sitting in here at my desk doing stuff. I love that. The next thing is this little fidget popper keychain. Let me throw everything on the floor. That's just simple with the little bubbles that pop in and out. I like that it's handheld and it had pretty colors. That one's nice. I do like that it's a keychain, so it's easy to take with you. And yeah, I don't know. It's large for my hands, which is funny because it's made for children, but kind of as a two-handed thing, it works good. And it does fit in one hand, it's just a little awkward. Let's see. I want to save those little guys for last. The next one, I almost didn't see these. They were on a different shelf, and it's just these little suction fidgets. Somehow comes out of its box, maybe? Let me in. Ooh. So yeah, it's just a little, I wonder, can they snap to each other? They can snap to each other. They can snap to the table. Can snap to my, yeah, I can snap to my whiteboard and pull off. I don't know. I don't think this will be as useful, but they were cool looking. Oh, it snaps to itself. Oh, that's fun. That's fun to play with. Okay. I can just make it snap to itself. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how we feel about those. What if I just snap it to the other one? That was not as satisfying as I wanted it to be. Okay. Those might not be winners, but they were cool looking, and we'll see. I feel like Jacob's gonna try and steal these from me, my brother. Ramen noodles? Noodlies. Ramen noodlies. They say, stretch 'em, knot 'em, squish 'em. Contains 5 noodle clumps. I got bigger ones of these. Oh, hi, Missy. I see you back there. I have some bigger ones of these that I really like. I wonder if we can see. There she is. There's the girl. Astrid's making a special shirt. Oh, good. They are attached to each other. I wasn't sure about that. Oh, these are weird. Oh, he's absolutely stealing these from me. Oh, I should have gotten 2 packs. This is just fun. This is another one I would not take anywhere because, I mean, look at them. But I could definitely see myself just playing with this while, like, watching YouTube and stuff. They're soft. Oh, I just want a ball of this. Oh, I might have to go back and get more of these. Okay, we're gonna move on, or that's all this video is gonna be. With the success of those, I'm gonna go on to these ones. One pack glows in the dark, the other one says they're jiggly. But they're supposed to be like that same kind of material, just little friends. These are the glow in the dark, squishy friends. What are you? Oh, it's a little, I think it's like a little sheep or a hedgehog or something. I think it's like a sheep and then a little penguin. And these little guys, they're squishy, they can be stretchy, they're just cute and small. Little friends. I don't know. They come in a lot of the, like, if you find like fidget toy kits and stuff. So I figured they must be popular. Oh, look at the little kitty. He's a sleeping kitty. They're also jiggly, which is benefited by the fact I have a tremor today. This little guy, little seal. Oh, look at him. He's sweet. He goes. This is the best like $10 I've ever spent. The last one is these little magnet cube rolls. These I have really wanted for a while to try out. I don't know, I never know what to expect from Walmart quality, anything Walmart toy row quality. Oh, these are fun. So they are magnetic, but they also spin. So like, you can do that. This is another one I see people use with one hand, and I'm like, how do you have enough hand? Oh, I like 2 of them. 3 is too many. Small hands. I don't know. These I'll have to stack that way too. These I'll have fun with just because they're magnets. Like, they don't have to have a secret. The real winner here is the Ramen Noodles. I love them. I guess let me know if you'd like to see all of my fidget toys sometime. Another video, because I have a few. A box full of goodies. So that could be another video sometime. I should have stopped. Hi, am I shaking your whole shelf? Hi, Missy. Let's see the baby. She's right here in the corner. Hi there, cutie pie. Oh, she is right there in the corner. Yeah. She says hi there. Let's see. Come closer. Hi there. Say bye. Thanks for watching.